Hey my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Dana, and today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I am actually going to be doing a monthly budget for basically the whole entire month, and hoping to stay in budget and hoping to somehow make the amount that I'm going to need. They did give us less hours at work, and so unfortunately I went from at least 32 hours down to 23 and 24. So I'm not 100% sure how this is going to play out, but I know that I need to get my bills done. Now I did actually film this already, but it looked like for some reason my camera was casting like a pink hue on everything, and I don't know, I kind of wanted to just change it up a little bit. It does look a little bluish right now, but at least it's not bright pink like it was before. It's actually because my ring light, I need a new one or something. I don't know what's going on. I think it's bouncing off the reflection of this, so that's something I'm gonna have to work on. Still learning, still getting there, but let's get into this budget. So these are going to be my budgeting goals. I just made a list of all of the important things that I'm going to have to pay this month. My fixed expenses, my variable expenses, my sinking funds, cash envelopes, all of that good stuff. And then I actually wrote down some goals that I wanted to achieve. So let's see if we can get into this. Okay, so the first thing that I need to budget for is going to be my rent. Let's see if I can bring it down a little bit. Here we go, we're going down. Alright, so the first thing that we are going to be budgeting for, or I will be budgeting for, is my rent, which is $480. Now this right here is what my estimate or my goal is going to be, and then this is how much I pay throughout the month, and hopefully I'll be able to make it. So again, my rent, I am hoping, or my budget goal is $480. My parking fee is going to be $25 because that's how it is every single month. My electric, I am trying to save $80 or budget $80. I'm praying it's going to be a lot less, but I know that what I'm working now and what I am going to be working next month, like, it's all going to be affecting the next, because it's like every 2 weeks we get paid, so every 2 weeks my budget is going to change, so I'm going to definitely have to start budgeting better and getting into these. So electric is going to be $80. For my gas bill, it's going to be getting an $80 budget as well. For Verizon, it's going to be $110. For my car insurance, I am budgeting $90. Oops. I didn't like how that looked, and then I just messed it up because I was trying to be anal. Come on. $90. Okay, so for Amazon, it is $7 a month. For my bank fee, it's going to be $7 a month. For the phone bill, it's going to be $40, and then for my son's phone bill, it is $30. Now we have Total Wireless, and his plan is $25 plus tax because we buy it at Walmart. Mine is $35 plus tax because, again, Walmart. So I have all of that, and then I have my kids' allowance, which I try to give them $5 every 2 weeks. They basically are not even doing their chores at this point. And whenever they need something, I 100% always like get out of my buffer or whatever, so that way I can give them what they want. But they always do get at least $5 in cash when they help. Sometimes. Sometimes I give them 3 because they don't deserve 5. For the gas money, I'm going to go ahead and do $80. Now this is going to equal out $20 a month. Or sorry, no, $20 a week. So that's a total of $80. For the house, I'm going to try to put $10 every 2 weeks because I'm hoping that I'm not going to really need anything. I'm pretty well stocked. With my income taxes, I always go out and just buy everything that I need, so that way I'm stocked up. So got that in there for my fur babies, my kitties. I give them $15 every 2 weeks, so that comes out to $30. For food, I try to give myself $100 every 2 weeks, so that would be $200. For debt, I try to pay $25, anywhere from $25 to $50 a month. So I'm gonna put down the lowest one, $25, because I don't know how much I'm gonna be getting paid. For vacation, I'm hoping $100 every 2 weeks, so that is the $200. And then for my dollar sinking funds, oh, I love these things, I went ahead and put in $40. So this one right here is every 2 weeks I take out $20 and I distribute it throughout my envelopes that don't get anything going toward them. And if there is any remainder or any dollars remaining by the time I stuff all of my envelopes, then I put it into a little pouch or a little binder, and I just hold on to it, and at the end of the year I'm gonna go ahead and count it. This is my dollar savings fund challenge. It helps me to continue to fill my sinking funds, while at the same time I am saving dollars. So for regular sinking funds, I am hoping that I can go ahead and save at least $150. I've been doing really good, budgeting really well. So I'm very, very hopeful that I'll be able to hopefully put in $150. So with all of this added, and again, sorry I don't have my phone to do all this, but I've already filmed it and and everything. Then in editing, I'm like, oh crap, I messed up. So for the total that I'm going to be needing is $1,714. Now, in order to pay the bare minimum of everything that I need to meet these goals, it's going to be $1,714. Now, if I get paid bi-weekly, I'm hoping that my checks will be at least $875. Now, I am trying to pick up as many, shifts as I can. I just found out recently that other stores might be looking for help, so I might be going to other stores for a little bit, just picking up a couple hours here and there. Hopefully that's going to help, but I need to at least make somewhere in this area, so fingers crossed. Now over here on the side, I just put just some monthly goals. So with all of this going on, I am not counting that child tax credit, which I finally did get, yay. But I'm not going to put it toward bills because this is like an extra. It's not guaranteed. God only knows if it's going to get to me. If it's not, the other one took like over a week to get to me. So, I can't really count on it. I'm not sure what's going to happen. So I'm not including that in like how much I have to make for my paychecks. But for my monthly goals, right, my number one goal is to save money for future bills because my hours were cut. And I just put like a little checkbox and I will check it off if I can do that. How I'm going to be doing that is because I still qualify for that like relief thing where I'm paying only 30% of my electric and my gas bill. And now I do know that it rained a lot. When it was raining, I wasn't using my AC, but I was using my AC, so I'm not really sure how much my electric will be. So I put these like the $80 here and put the gas here, and I'm gonna roll that over into September, so that way some of that is paid in case those lower checks hit me in September instead of this month. Also, I want to complete some of these sinking funds, guys, because it is August. Oh my goodness, it goes by so quick. So my kids are going back to school, so that is a sinking fund that I need to complete. I need to finally get that AC. I have a friend who works at a really good store and can get me a really good deal, so I am going to try to be doing that soon. For the clothes, this is for my kids so that they can go back to school shopping. So I have 2 boxes over here, one for my son, one for my daughter. For hair, I want to complete this sinking fund because I want to get their hair cut for back to school. And then right before school starts, I have a goal to bring my kids to Lake George just for the weekend or a couple days. We're actually going to be going like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and coming back Saturday because it's cheaper on the weekdays than it is on the weekends. And yeah, I need to save some money. I'm poor. So my poor kids have not been out of the house like all summer. It's been raining every single time that I get a day off. It rains, it pours, like you literally can't do anything but go to Walmart and run in and run out. So my kids have not been able to do anything, so I'm hoping that this is gonna be for them and we'll be able to do this. It's not set in stone, but I'm hoping to go. So I want to complete that sinking fund. Another one is I've been talking to a mechanic who's been looking at my car, and he told me that I need to get my drive shaft fixed, and then they're going to try to do some O2 sensors, and hopefully that's just triggering the transmission issues, and that is not really like transmission issues, it's just like a hidden issue with the O2 sensor. I'm not really sure how that goes, but I'm hoping to get some of my car fixed because I'm trying to ride this car out forever. Like, I don't want to buy a new car. I can't find one that I can afford, and I definitely need one. I need to also focus on my passports. So my sinking funds, a lot of them are going to have to go toward, you know, passports because I don't really know. I've never had a passport, but our cruise is in 2020. It's going to be in January 2020, and so I need passports in order to go to the Bahamas, which is where the cruise ship is going. Even though it's like Florida, it's still going out of the country, so I gotta focus on this. They said 6 to 8 weeks, but because of COVID it can take 6 months or something like that. I don't really know. I gotta figure that out. And then I have income taxes, which I need to budget this. So I do have my income taxes, and they've just been sitting there. So I have $6,000 that I have to figure out what I'm doing with. I did get almost close to 7, and I used a lot of it so that I can get things from my house. I stocked up on food, I stocked up on, you know, toilet paper and accessories, and it kind of looks like a Costco in my house right now because of everything, but we are good for right now. And then I got little things, like I brought my baby to Ultra to go get color matched. So she got her first foundation and concealer and a cleanser and all of that stuff. So I need to figure out what I'm doing with the rest of the 6,000, and then I have to actually stuff it. And then once I get my check 1, I will add that. My check 2, I will add that, the total that I made, and then hopefully I will have some rollover for next month. So I know this is like super simple. It is extremely a short video for me because I like to talk forever apparently. But like I said, everything was already filmed, everything was already plugged in, and then it was just a little bit weird. It looks like right now it's still kind of pinkish. I'm not really sure why. So I'm just gonna go with it. If it is a little bit pink, well, that's the color of the month, I guess. So I will see you guys later. I hope that you guys have a really good day, and that, you know, that you are doing everything right on your budgeting journey, and that you are going to the places that you want to go on your journey. So I hope that you have a very, very, very good day, and if you stay to the end, go ahead and like this video, and definitely tell me what your journey looks like. You know, do you have any goals, like monthly goals that you want to accomplish, or sinking funds that you want to complete? Because I see all of you, and a lot of you have budgeting channels, and you guys are amazing. I can't always comment on everything, but I try to subscribe as much as I can, and I know that you guys are doing really, really well. So I hope that you guys are, you know, on your journey and that you're getting where you need to be. So have a good day, guys. I will see you later. Bye.